Well, when it comes to transportation options, rideshare services have become a staple for so many people. So this morning, we wanted to do a refresher, talk about the importance of safety and how to keep yourself safe when you choose rideshare. So this morning, legal and safety expert with Phillips Law Group is Olivia Lemorrocco. Did I say that right? Olivia, thank you for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
I really appreciate this conversation because for so many of us, rideshare has become just a part of everyday life. But it's so important to be vigilant, wouldn't you say?
Exactly. I mean, you have to put your safety first. That is the priority.
Yeah. So let's first talk about what information we should be confirming before we even get in the car.
So before you even get into the car, take 10 seconds and verify it's the right vehicle. When you're approaching the vehicle, don't say, "Are you my driver?" You want to make sure the license plate is right, that driver is saying your name first.
Oh, interesting.
Yes,
The
yes.
other thing, too, I've heard is before you even confirm the ride, check the rating on the driver.
Check the rating, make sure everything looks safe, make sure it aligns, make sure the driver's face matches the profile picture. And if it doesn't, cancel.
Let's talk about if you're taking a rideshare late at night, which, you know, honestly, it has become such a great option so that we don't drink and drive,
Exactly.
right? But also, too, that's a very vulnerable time of the morning, early morning hours. What would be your most important advice if you're taking a rideshare during that time of the day or night?
Exactly. So a very careful tricks to do is, number one, always share your ride with somebody. Take a screenshot of your ride also. You know, in the event that something were to happen, you have that record on your phone. So you're doing two things. You're sharing your ride with somebody. You are also having a screenshot on your phone. And then third, and most importantly, make sure that everything is set up correctly, that driver is not changing their rear view mirror to look back at you, that you're sitting in the back seat and aware of your surroundings.
You know, you bring an interesting point up. You talk about being aware of your surroundings. If you have a funny gut feeling, we should never ignore that, right?
Do not be polite. Your safety is the priority. So many people want to be polite, but you know, if something feels off, get out of there. Ask them to pull over, call. You know, I always call and say, "Dad, I'm on my way home. Are you going to be there?" So that driver knows somebody is watching out for you
and waiting for
you. Expecting you.
Smart.
Right,
That's
right.
so smart. Lastly, let me ask you, as a parent of young adults, what would be the most important advice, especially even teenagers, if they're taking rideshare? What should we be telling our teenagers and kids who might be taking a rideshare?
So in addition to those tips, when you're sitting outside waiting for your rideshare driver, stay alert. Oftentimes the kids are buried in their phone and not watching those surroundings. People are watching them. You know, as summer comes to an end and there might be people outside of that Uber, make sure you're paying attention to your surroundings first and foremost.
This is such a great conversation. Olivia from Phillips Law Group, thank you so much for your time this morning.
Thank you for having me.
Hi, I'm Eric.